Welcome, I'm John Ochenero, founder and CEO of PILLARZ LLC. As you may know, PILLARZ is the leading K-5 distance learning accelerator in the United States. As an accelerator, we are complementary to public and private schools. Essentially, we're an online tutorial platform with 1 and 2 hour sessions focused on math and ELA to get kids back on track and excel to the next level. 2020 was a great year for PILLARZ as the winner of the 2020 EdTech Distance Learning Award with record enrollments and over 20,000 Facebook page likes. We are in discussions with scores of children's museums around the United States to offer free K-5 lessons. Also, we now offer English as a Second Language, or ESL courses for children and adults. So please go to pillarzllc.com and under courses, click ESL to find information and contact us. Our ESL courses are for beginners to advanced English speakers. We also offer English test preparation. Further, we advance ESL courses to benefit business and healthcare professionals. Further, we are pleased to be in active conversations with federal agencies to provide ESL courses to children that are most vulnerable, such as those who are at the border or for lower income households throughout the United States. I invite you to learn more about PILLARZ via our website and to contact me directly with any questions regarding our K-5 accelerator courses or our ESL programs. Thank you very much.